Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today I have a little DIY project. So for those of you who don't know, my son recently turned 1 on the 4th, and his first birthday is coming up on the 17th. And as I had previously mentioned in my Amazon haul video, I am going to be putting his goodie bags together. So if you have not seen that video, definitely go ahead and check it out. I'll link it up here and in the description box down below. In that video, I go ahead and show you everything that I have purchased for his birthday to go ahead and put things together, such as his goodie bag that I am going to be doing for you guys today. Also, if you guys don't know, it is a safari theme. So everything is obviously animal prints, safari animals. So I thought I'd just go ahead and do a little video of me showing exactly everything that is going inside and how I'm putting them together. That way, if there is another mom out there who would like to do something similar, this is, I guess, the video for you. Of course, I will go ahead and leave everything linked in the description box down below. That way you know where to go ahead and get everything. So if you are interested in seeing how I put these goodie bags together, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have my little box here of everything that I am going to need. So I'm just gonna quickly go through everything that I purchased. I did pick up some animal crackers. These are the Market Pantry brand, so Target's brand. There are 12 in a box, so I purchased 2. And the reason why I got these is because I did want to go ahead and put some like sort of snack into the goodie bags for them, aside from candy, because we will be putting in some candy as well. But I wanted to go ahead and keep everything within theme, so animal crackers seem to fit best. And these actually came pre-packaged, which is perfect because I don't have to worry about Ziploc bags or anything like that. These are already ready to go. I can pack them early and not worry about them getting stale or anything like that. So that's that. I also picked up this duct tape. So this is what we're going to use to decorate the bags. I picked up these little animal activity stickers. So just a bunch of little safari animals, as you can see, and then you can just go ahead and decorate the face. So just a little something for them to do while at the party. I do have scratch off cards in here. We do have games, and this is kind of one of the games that we are having. There are 2 winners, so one will be going into each of the goodie bags, and we will have 2 winners. So that's in there. I've got these little tiny notepads. I thought these were super cute. So they are super tiny, so perfect for little hands. And they are just blank sheets of paper. I am also going to be putting in some pencils that are animal prints. They have just not come in yet. They should be coming in soon. I actually decided to go ahead and order that last minute. That way they actually have something to write on their little notepads with. I will also be putting in bubbles, because what kid does not love bubbles? I know mine does. And these are super cute because they are actually with the little topper of an animal, so that will go in there. And we've got giraffe, zebra, monkey, and a tiger. And this comes in a box of 24. I have a total of 24 bags. I don't think we're gonna have more than that when it comes to kids. At least I don't think we will. I guess we'll see what happens. And then last, we have some animal stamps. So for these, we have a tiger, monkey, zebra, elephant, giraffe, and lion. So a bunch of little goodies to go ahead and play with at the party, at home. We've also got these bags right here. These are the bags that we are going to use. I don't know where my mom got these because she did pick them up, but when I was at Michael's, I did see that they had some, so definitely go ahead and check Michael's out. And then I've got these little animal prints here. They are just cutouts. I still haven't quite decided how I want to do it. I will go ahead and insert a picture of the goodie bags I am trying to recreate. They, as you can see, only come with the head. My mom liked the idea of putting the whole animal on there. My only thing is, obviously, the giraffe is a lot bigger than the bag itself. So that would be the only animal that doesn't fit, and I don't want one to look different than the others. So I guess we'll just find out how I end up doing them. So yeah, let's get started on putting these goodie bags together. Okay guys, so I've got my little brown bag here, and I'm going to take my duct tape and just go ahead and measure out the length that I need. And I'm actually going to cut slightly longer than the actual length of the bag, just because I want to go ahead and fold it over. That way it just looks a lot cleaner. So go ahead, just lay it on there, and then just fold right at the top and then right at the bottom. I'm actually going to wait towards the end once I'm done filling up the bags and getting them prepped to put on the animal, because like I said, I still have not decided exactly how I want to do it, whether I put the whole animal or just the face. And that's fairly simple to go ahead and stick on there, even if it's already standing up filled. So I am going to, of course, put the animal crackers, a little notebook, a stamp, bubbles, the scratcher, and an activity sticker. And of course, like I had mentioned, candy will be putting in later, and then once I get the pencils in, I'll go ahead and stick them in as well. And that is it. I didn't want to get too much stuff to put in their goodie bags because I didn't want it to be overwhelming. Plus, I'm also having kind of like a little arts and craft table, and they are going to be getting some other goodies like a canteen, binoculars, a safari hat. So those things, aside from the safari hat, of course, because it doesn't fit, they can go ahead and put in their little goodie bag as well, just to kind of store it. So I didn't want to overfill this. All right, that was fairly simple enough. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of this video. I'm sure you guys do not want to sit here and see how long it is going to take me to go ahead and cut the tape, paste it, and fill up the bags. So we'll go ahead and speed that up. Once I'm done, we'll come back and we'll see what I end up deciding with those cutouts. Now that my goodie bags are all put together, let's figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with these. I feel like that's huge. I'm so scared to cut and then I can't do anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these all out first. So some of these are a lot smaller. The zebra, and especially the monkey. I'm so confused what to do because these are just so much bigger. I think I'm gonna cut them. I have decided I'm going to cut them. This should not be this hard. Okay, so I think the smaller ones I'm just gonna leave whole just because they're smaller. So let's do those first. Alright guys, so I am all done with the goodie bags. As you guys can see, I went ahead and decided to just go ahead and put the full animal on the bag, and the only reason why I ended up doing that is because the animals are outlined. I don't know if you can see that in white, so it was just, at least to me, because I'm so like picky about things, it was just gonna look a little odd to go ahead and cut that off, and I just didn't want to go ahead and cut all the way around. But I think it came out pretty cute, very simple, but that is the great thing about this DIY. It's super simple, and it doesn't necessarily have to be safari themed. You can do it to any kind of theme that you are going to be doing. Just, you know, just switch up what you go ahead and place on the outside. But if you are doing safari theme, this would be a really great bag to go ahead and put together. Like I had mentioned, all of the items will be listed in the description box down below for you guys to go ahead and pick up. But yeah, that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.